stick around after our service on the 24th of June because we're going to watch England versus Panama on the big screen, World Cup match. You can bring your own lunch and we're going to just spend some time together cheering on your favourite team, England or Panama. Why not? There are a couple of Panamanians amongst us. If you're new here to Excel Church, then we would love to invite you to our coffee and cakes evening, which is going to be on the 23rd of June at 5:30 p.m. It's just a chance for you to get to know the leaders here at church and find out a bit more about what the vision of Excel is too. So if that's you, if you want to come along to the coffee and cakes evening, then please go and speak to one of our welcome team to sign yourself up, or you can do that on the website too. So that's the 23rd of June is our new person's coffee and cake evening.
Day in God, a day to declare His praise. Live all His ways.
We're excited to have the Caribbean Gospel Music Tour return to Excel Church later this year. On 7th of July, artists such as Ayana Gordon-Wallace and Curtis Jordan will be bringing a taste of the Caribbean to Bilston as they perform for us. Get the date in your diary, tickets will be available soon.
Revelation, definition, constitution, operation.
If you've got children who are aged between 5 and 11 years old, then why not book them in for this year's Summer Holiday Club? It'll be running from the 7th to the 12th of August and it is called Game On, a computer game themed. It's going to be loads of fun. There's going to be singing, dancing, games, gunge, all kinds of stuff that is excellent. So please get yourself booked in via the website as soon as possible to make sure you get your place at Game On Holiday Club. On Sunday the 1st of July, we're coming here to Hickman Park for Hope in the Park. It's our annual event where we're reaching out to people in Bilston and Braidley with churches together. So please join us at 12 noon, bring your own picnic, there's going to be music and games on the stage, there's going to be stuff for young people, there's going to be stands. It's going to be an awesome opportunity to tell the town of Bilston about the love of Jesus. If you're coming, we would like you to help us. If you can volunteer, then that would be awesome. We're looking especially for some people who can do face painting and maybe some water games for the children. So if you're interested in volunteering, please go and speak to Dan.
Between you and I, 'cause I can't live without you by my side. So I'm leaving it all justified, and all I want is you.
Remember, there's no service here this evening because we're at a Blaze in West Park. Join us there at 6:30 p.m. There's no service here at Excel. And also next Sunday evening, there's no service at Excel because we're at St Paul's at Lower Gornal. We hope to see you next Sunday morning for more Excel News.